Welcome to LocalWell's YouTube channel. Today, we'll cover changing product categories individually or in bulk. For individual changes, look for the stock option above. You come to stock and for whichever product category you want to change, simply search for it here. After searching the product, you will see the settings option on the right hand side, so if you press F4, the settings section will open. Here you are given the option of product category at the very bottom. So whatever category this product belongs to, you can select that category here, and in case if you do not find that category here, then you can also create a new category by simply pressing F2. So for now let us select the medicine. After selecting the category, press F2 and apply. So let us recheck once again whether the category of this product has been updated. So if you look here, the category is medicines. So this was one by one, and if you think you want to change the categories of multiple products at once, then look here, you will see stock options on the left hand side, and in this you will see the second option, product setting. Click it. In product settings, many product details can be bulk edited, but today, we focus on changing categories only. Here, you are provided with various filters to locate a product. You can search by name or numerically, even by the company's name. Which product category needs updating? You can directly choose the category if you prefer. However, currently, we are implementing the location filter. Imagine we need to alter the categories of products on shelf 34 in your store. We choose shelf 34 and press F2 to apply. This selects all items on shelf 34. Next, we must update the category for these items at once. To do this, select the first check option displayed. This action selects all products simultaneously. Now to update in bulk, you will see the option of bulk update on the right hand side. For this, press F2, and after pressing F2 you will see just the second option here, the product category. Now select the category in which you want to move all the products together. Now whatever category you select here, all these products will move together to that category. So now we select the medicine and apply by pressing F2. So in this way you can easily change the categories of products in bulk. For more such informative videos related to LocalWell, subscribe to our YouTube channel today, like the video, and drop your feedback in the comment section, and for any help related to LocalWell you can directly WhatsApp us. Thank you.